Welcome to Hello English Teacher. Today let's look at some more questions from the grammar and writing section of class 10 English. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe. You can listen to the explanations of chapters from classes 10, 11 and 12 English. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Let's move on to the video now. So let's look at the grammar and writing section in the question paper. So these are the kinds of questions you will get. So here is question number 1 in grammar. Much dash has been said in the news reports. So much, where, have, has, was. So it is much has been said in the news report. So the answer is have. Next question. When the third entered the house, the inmates in the hall were slept, were sleeping, slept, had been sleeping. So the answer is B, were sleeping. When the third entered the house, the inmates were sleeping in the hall. So next question. There were dash passengers in the second class sleeper coach. Either, both, 20, any. So the best option here is 20. So there were 20 passengers in the second class sleeper coach. So next one, you dash keep your promise. Can, ought, should, may. So answer is should. So next question is from reported speech. What option displays the correct change of the following to reported speech? My friend said, I bought the tickets yesterday. So the options are given. So the answer is my friend that said that he had bought the tickets the previous day. So why are we adding had bought? Because in the report, in the direct speech already it is said as I bought the ticket. So bought is in the past tense. So when it change it to the reported speech, you have to use the past perfect tense. So that is why my friend that said that he had bought the tickets the previous day. So let's look at the next question. He said, Ravi, why are you sounding so dejected today? So it is a question as well as the tense there is present continuous tense. So always while changing to the reported speech, you have to go one step back. That is, here it is present continuous tense. So you have to use the past continuous tense. And since it is a question, you can use the reporting word asked. So the answer is he asked Ravi why he was sounding so dejected that day. Today is changed to that day. So these are the little things you have to keep in mind while changing the tense. The tense has to be changed, that is whatever tense is given, one step back you have to go, and then you have to look at the pronouns and all that, and then you have to remove all the apostrophes and things like that. So let's look at the next question. You are Tarun or Tanu, a resident of Jagannath Colony, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. You have noticed that some residents of your colony are repeatedly floating quarantine rules laid out during the outbreak of the pandemic. Here is given the letter to the SHO of the local police station, drawing attention towards the same and explaining how such acts impact the health of the community and request immediate intervention and strict action. So you can look at the letter. The format is given here. The sender's address on the top without the name. Then you can see the date, and then you can see the address, the receiver's address. It is incomplete, which we have to fill. And then you can see the body. Subject is requesting action against floaters of quarantine rules. Sir, I am a resident of Jagannath Colony and I am writing this letter to draw your attention towards the complaint about some residents dash. This is really disappointing that in spite of the constant alarming notices, the rules have fallen on deaf ears. This is a non-compliance of rules by those residents and are disregarding the rules of social distancing. They roam about almost everywhere without use of masks. They are so ignorant towards the fact that they are putting everyone's life at risk through their casual behavior. This has aggravated mental stress and fears in the residents of the colony. In spite of all the precautionary measures, at the personal level, the residents live under the dash apparently. We have put our concern in front of our Resident Welfare Association. However, it is not taking dash. So we are knocking your doors for the assistance to take immediate action regarding our concern. On behalf of the entire society, I request you to look into the matter at the earliest to prevent the hazards of COVID-19. I hope for a prompt action. Thanking you. Yours faithfully, Tanu. So here is the options given for the blanks. So the first one is for the receiver's address, whose name you will write first, and then the completion of the address, and then in the body there are some blanks for which you have all these options. So now let's look at the answers. So before looking at the answers, you need to be very thorough. Read all the options very carefully, fit it in the passage where they belong to, and then read the passage continuously with what you think the answers, and then check yourself whether the answers are correct. So now let's look at the answers. So you can see the address on the top, the sender's address, and then the date, and then the receiver's address. So in the first line it is the SHO, and then the address, and then the place. After that we are going into the body to see what the blanks are filled with. So here is the body. So the blanks are, I am writing this letter to draw your attention towards a complaint about some residents who are not following the quarantine rules, and the next blank, non-compliance of rules by those residents who are not staying indoors at all. So the next paragraph, in spite of following all the precautionary measures at the personal level, the residents live under the constant threat of getting infected apparently. So in the next paragraph, we have put our concerns in front of our Resident Welfare Association. However, it is not taking any step to check such behavior. So these are the answers in the blanks. So now let's look at some more questions from grammar. First one, the lame boy tried to climb up the staircase without dash help. Any help is the answer. So we cannot say little help because little means no help. Some help you cannot say, and you cannot also say many help. So if you don't know the answer, try to go by the elimination method. So you will be able to get the correct answer. So here, without any help. So next question, your sister seriously injured, you dash consult a good doctor. So can, would, might, must. So the answer is must. So what is the difference between must and should? So whenever these two words comes, you must remember that must is always a compulsion and should is only an opinion or a suggestion. So here the answer is, your sister is injured seriously, you must consult a doctor. So next question is also a question from grammar. He dash cooking in his leisure time. So he enjoys cooking in his leisure time. So it is a routine action, that's why we are using the simple present tense. So next one, the water tank before it was filled. So had been cleaned. So the past perfect tense has been used. So the water tank had been cleaned before it was filled. So whenever two actions are talked about in the past that have been completed in the past, so you must always remember this. The first action completed will take the past perfect tense, and the second action completed will take the simple past tense. So here the two activities are water tank cleaning and filling. So what was done first? The cleaning has been done first. So that is why we are saying it as had been cleaned, and after that it was filled. So that takes the simple past tense. So another question from reported speech. So the question is, the principal said, why didn't you attend the flag hoisting ceremony, Anuj? So the principal is asking, and why did you not? So that is also a past tense. So when you change it to reported speech, you have to use the past perfect tense. So here the correct answer is, the principal asked Anuj why he hadn't attended the flag hoisting ceremony. So the next one, the person says, he says, I go for a walking every morning. So when you change it, you don't have to change the tense of the reporting word. So everything else will be changed. So he says that he goes for a walking every morning. So it is a habitual action, it is a truth. So that is why we are not changing the tense here. So next one is again a letter from questions from the writing section. Here is a given letter to the editor of a local daily, drawing the attention of authorities to the problem faced by people, requesting them to open a milk booth. So you are a so and so of so and so place. So let's look at the questions. So here you can see the letter format, sender's address, the date and the receiver's address. So remember the block format where everything is written towards the margin. And so let's look at the next. Blanks are given here and there and you can read it. I am Suhana, a resident of Jamuna Nagar. I am writing to you in order to dash in my locality. The residents dash as they have to walk up 10 kilometers every morning to dash. So let's look at the next passage. So in the last paragraph, as the situation is serious, I request you to highlight it through a newspaper so that the dash towards it and do the needful. So thanking you has to come below and then below that is the name. So now let's look at the answers. So first one is you have to choose the correct subject. So here the answer is absence of milk booth in Jamuna Nagar. Now there is a clue to write the subject. Always read the question properly. In the question itself you will know what you have to write. So from that you have to deduce. So we are going to talk about the absence of, there is no milk booth and you are going to write about it. So obviously the subject will be absence of milk booth in Jamuna Nagar. So let's look at the answers for the next blanks. So next one is I am writing to raise the issue of absence of milk booth in the locality. Then we are saying that people face many problems, followed by, and they find it very difficult to get their daily stock of milk and milk products. And finally we say that we hope that the authorities are sensitized, and then we conclude the letter by saying yours sincerely. So you have to remember only the Y is capitals and all others are small letters. So you need to choose the correct by properly looking at the spellings also. So I hope you liked today's video. For more informative videos, do subscribe to Hello English Teacher. Like, share and give your valuable comments below. Thank you for watching.